Good morning, ma. Welcome to Alpha Online Education. Commerce theory part for the second year's English medium. The chapter that we are dealing with, setting up a business. So this is the 9th session and the last session of this chapter. So in this session, we are going to study about the successful entrepreneurs. So first one is Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani. So he was born in 19th April 1957. Okay. Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani born on 19th April 1957. He was in Yemen with his father, who moved back to India in 1958 to start a business in species and textiles. So he was in Yemen with his father and they have moved back to India in 1958 in order to start a business of species and textile in India. Ambani is educated from the Bombay and received engineering degree in chemical engineering from the Institute of Chemical Technology. So, Mukesh Ambani has received the degree in chemical engineering. He done the engineering in chemistry. Okay, so he done the engineering and he received the degree, engineering degree from the Institute of Chemical Technology. In 1981, he started to help his father, Dhirubhai Ambani's family business, Reliance Industries Limited. So, in 1981, he started to help his father, Dhirubhai Ambani, in their family business, that is Reliance Industries Limited. The business include refining and petrochemicals, retail business, telecommunication. So, the Reliance Industry Limited contains the following things, that are refining and petrochemicals, retail business and telecommunication. Okay, the Reliance chairman Mukesh Ambani was ranked by Forbes as the 5th wealthiest person in the world. So Mukesh Ambani has been ranked as a 5th wealthiest person in the world. Okay. The Reliance Industry Limited reported a dividend of rupees 6.5 per equity share of rupees 10 each in the year 2020. So the share value is rupees 10. For that they are paying the dividend, that is 6.5 dividend they are paying for one share, and that equity share value is 10 rupees. Okay. For 10 rupees share, they are paying the dividend of 6.5. See how much they are paying for the one share. Globally, he received a number of awards and honors like Young Entrepreneur of the Year. So globally, in the total world, he received number of awards for his business, how he take up his business and how he taken strategies in order to achieve a good reputation in the society. For that, he was given a number of awards and he was honored with a number of titles. So, Young Entrepreneur of the Year Award, Global Vision Award, Millennium Business Leader of the Decade, etc. So, these type of honorable awards are given to Mukesh Ambani. Reliance Industry Limited became India's first $150 billion company from the leading global investors, including Facebook. Yes, it was the first Indian company with US dollar, that is 150 billion. Okay, so this company was standing as a leading company in the global investors, including the Facebook. Okay, so this is about the history of the Mukesh Dhirubhai Ambani and his successful life. And next, Lakshmi Nivas Mittal. So he is an Indian born steel magnate who is currently in UK. So he was born in India and he was currently in UK. He is known as the King of Steel. So Mittal is known as the King of Steel. He is the chairman and CEO of ArcelorMittal, the world's biggest steel maker, whose revenue is $70.6 billion. So he was the chairman and the CEO of the world's biggest steel maker. Okay, he was the world's biggest steel maker and he was the chairman and CEO of Mittal, and they have the revenue that is $70.6 billion. He separated his sibling to start Mittal Steel, then he went on to merge the company with the France Ancillor in 2006. So in order to separate, he went and merged with the France company, steel company in 2006, but unfortunately he has faced the losses due to the fall in the price of the steel and increase in the cost of the raw material. So the company reported a net loss of $2.5 billion in 2019 due to low steel prices and higher raw material cost. Okay, due to high raw material cost and low steel prices in 2019, they have faced the loss of $2.5 billion. Mittal has donated rupees 3,300 crores in July 2020 to the Oxford University to develop COVID-19 vaccine. So in order to develop COVID-19 vaccine, he has given to the Oxford University 3,300 crores in July 2020. So up to here, your theory chapters are completed for the second years. So do hard work and read, don't waste the time. Prepare a good strategy for your success also. You should also be become successful like these personalities. Okay. So for the next generation, your name should be in the textbooks, in academic textbooks, your name should be with these successful person's name. Okay. All the best for your journey. Yes. Thank you, ma.